Every summer, a new, revolutionary, portable air conditioner goes viral online. The name changes, the logo changes, the website looks a little different, but the promises never do. This year it's called InstaCool Pro. The ad I saw showed a sleek little device sitting on a nightstand, cooling an entire bedroom in seconds, no installation, no vents, no hassle. The actor in the ad looked relieved, sweaty 1 second, comfortable the next. It's the kind of ad that stops your scroll. And when a $60 gadget claims to do what a $500 appliance does, with none of the hardware, that's usually my cue to start digging. Quick note before I go further, everything in this video is my own personal research and opinion, shared for informational and educational purposes only. So here's what the company actually says in their own words. According to the InstaCool Pro website, this compact device can cool, or heat, rooms up to 550 square feet, starts working in as little as 5 seconds, requires zero installation, and uses very little electricity compared to a traditional AC unit. It's marketed as a plug-and-play alternative to central air or a window unit at a fraction of the price. On paper, that's an incredible value proposition. So I went looking for the engineering that would make it possible. Pivot. That's where things stopped adding up. First, the marketing itself. The ad relies on classic emotional manipulation cues, a sweaty, miserable person transformed into a relaxed, happy one within seconds of using the device. There's dramatic before and after framing, urgent countdown-style discount banners, and none of the demo footage actually shows a thermometer or any measurable proof of room-wide cooling. It's designed to make you feel the problem, not show you the solution working. Here's the bigger issue, and it's the core of this whole investigation. A real air conditioner doesn't just blow air around. It removes heat from inside a room and dumps that heat outside, using a compressor, refrigerant, and either an exhaust hose or an outdoor condenser. That heat has to go somewhere. It's basic thermodynamics. Looking at the product photos and demo videos, InstaCool Pro has no exhaust hose, no vent, no visible way to move heat out of the room. Without that, it physically cannot lower the temperature of an entire space. At best, a device like this recirculates room temperature air over a small water or ice reservoir, which can create a localized cool breeze right in front of it. That's evaporative cooling and it's real, but it's not the same as air conditioning a 550 square foot room. Now let's talk numbers. 550 square feet of coverage. Cooling in 5 seconds. Major energy savings. These are specific, bold claims, the kind a legitimate manufacturer would back up with a BTU rating, an ER or SEER efficiency rating, or independent lab testing. I looked. There isn't any. No BTU number, no certification, no third-party test results anywhere on the site. For a category where those specs are standard, their complete absence is itself a red flag. The site also advertises around 275,000 happy customers and testimonials with high satisfaction percentages. But there's no disclosed methodology, no sample size, and no independent source behind any of it. Every testimonial is hosted entirely on the seller's own website. There's no way to verify a single one of them. This is where it gets really telling. I've reviewed products almost identical to this one before, under different names. Kinox Polar Breeze, Cool Cove, Colzy, Cooley, and several other near clones with rotating names. The branding changes every year, but the product photos, the website layout, and the sales tactics stay nearly identical. This strongly suggests these are generic devices sourced from wholesale manufacturing platforms and resold under a fresh name each season. To be fair, sourcing generic products isn't inherently a problem. Plenty of legitimate businesses do that. The issue is the exaggerated claims layered on top. The company information points to a business based overseas, in Hong Kong. That's not automatically disqualifying, but it does mean that if you need to return the product, you may be on the hook for international return shipping, which can cost more than the item itself, making a refund practically worthless. As for those 275,000 happy customers, I couldn't find this product, or its predecessors, showing up with any meaningful presence on Trustpilot, the BBB, or other independent review platforms. In my opinion, a lot of the glowing reviews on the site itself look fabricated or at minimum heavily curated. That's my read on it, not a confirmed fact, but it's a pattern worth noticing. So, is InstaCool Pro worth buying? In my opinion, no. Based on everything I've laid out, the missing exhaust mechanism, the absent performance data, the unverifiable statistics, and the rebrand pattern I've seen play out with nearly identical products year after year, I believe this is a rebranded, overhyped gadget, not a genuine whole-room air conditioner. If you actually want to cool a room, you're better off with a real portable AC from an established manufacturer, one with a compressor and an exhaust hose, and a BTU rating you can actually check. If you've bought InstaCool Pro or one of its many lookalikes, I'd genuinely like to hear how it went for you. Drop your experience in the comments. And if this kind of investigation is useful to you, hit like, share it with someone about to fall for the ad, and subscribe for more.